IBS is a company dedicated and committed to help our customers increase their profits by saving time, anticipating breakdowns and increasing productivity, providing timely and high-quality integral solutions. At IBS, we import and export a wide range of products from the most recognized brands worldwide. We commercialize articles for the industrial, automotive, medical, naval, and food industries. The growth of the company led us to the need to optimize space. We also evaluated the option of installing racks and mezzanines, but the objective was not achieved.
Learning to operate the Modula equipment took me about a week. It is a very user-friendly system and very easy to learn. Previously, the process to bring a product to us was a little more time-consuming or complicated. Now that we have the Modula equipment, it is much smoother, since we only have to call the crate with the location we have in the system. It brings me the crate, and I can extract the product. The Modula system allows us to have cyclical inventories. Through the system, we can call up a list, and on the list we can document the material that we have stored. In this way, we can obtain a more precise control for our inventories.